Go ahead, Paul.
Beautiful man.
All right, good morning. It's 27 degrees, and it's the next to last day of duck season here in Georgia, and we're gonna see what we can do. Got a little private place that Ford and I are gonna go to, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Should be a great video today. Stay tuned. All right, here's our spot. Ford's down there. Ford, wave. Hunting in the snow. Here's our setup. Got the GoPro going. Wood ducks come in here and land all the time. So, but the only problem we got today is I just noticed that some of it's iced over. There's a little spot over there that's not iced over, but the top layer's got ice, so we'll see how it goes. They should be flying here in about 7 minutes. They may fly right over us because the ice on the water, and it's too deep for us to get out there and break it up. So we'll see how it goes, but it's a pretty spot. Go ahead, Ford. All right, you got two. All right, don't shoot.
You gotta shoot three.
Hold on. Easy, don't shoot. Just let them land. You hear that sound? I had trouble getting that one. might could walk to that one, but we'll see. Male.
Beautiful male.
Okay, when you don't have a dog and you're out there duck hunting, or if you have a dog that won't fetch ducks like mine, you got to bring, the best thing for you to do is to bring, a bait caster with a top water prop, throw it out there, and just kind of hook the ducks and reel them in. This is the best way I know, if you're hunting by yourself or you don't have a boat, to just sling a top water out there, hook it, and reel it back in. Also, if you end up getting a duck somewhere into the marsh, like we had one that I shot go into the marsh, and it just we couldn't hook it with the lure, so I just sent my son Ford out on a kayak, and he goes out there and retrieves it. So the best way when you don't have a dog,
All right, let's see what
you don't have a boat, use a fishing pole with a top water lure, or use a kayak like I have here. Go out there and grab one. But those are the best ways to retrieve your ducks without a boat or without a dog.
Oh man, he is pretty. All right, here we are. We got a couple males and one female. But what are your thoughts on the hunt? Fun? Yeah, it was good. Because I fell in under my waders, and it was not good. I had to change into some clothes that I found, and I'm pretty cold right now, but it was a good time. Hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.